Here are some tips and tricks for Calculus BC. Let's start with the basics.
Round your answers to the third decimal place. Don't waste your time or your space.
If you make a mistake, don't erase it. Save time by crossing it out.
Remember how to find the trig functions of angles. For angles that are multiples of pi over 2, imagine the sine and cosine curves or the unit circle. For these angles, pi over 6, pi over 4, and pi over 3, remember this chart.
When you're allowed to use the calculator, don't forget to use him. He wants to help you, if only you gave him a chance. Distance is not the same as displacement. This is a graph of his velocity versus time. If the question asks his distance from his initial position, find the integral. Top minus bottom represents displacement. However, if the question asks for total distance traveled, find the integral of the absolute value. Top plus bottom represents distance traveled.
Always read the questions. If you don't read the questions carefully, you're sure to miss important information. Practice reading as part of your studying. Don't mix up differentiation and integration. Differentiate down, integrate up. Differentiate down, integrate up.
When you find a derivative, you are always doing the chain rule. Exponent, chain rule. Trig function, chain rule. Implicit differentiation, chain rule. Derivative of a definite integral, chain rule.
When finding indefinite integrals, you are finding a family of possible antiderivatives. Always remember the constant of integration.
These tips and tricks will save your butt in BC Calculus. Hope they helped.